All right, important lesson real quick. Literally, I've been to this man's media house several times, and I went to my messages, I clicked the address that I normally have, and randomly my GPS brought me to this mobile home park. You see that right there? Randomly my GPS brought it to that mobile home. I'm like, yo, this is not the spot. Like, this is not it at all. And so I turned my GPS off, clicked the address again, and now it's taking me somewhere else. And I was about to pull off, but then I was like, this is God sending me a little wink. God is winking at me right now. So I went ahead, opened up my little Deal Machine app, put it in my Deal Machine app. It had a picture right there of the phone number. It looks like to the manager or the owner. Boom, took a picture of the phone number, and we're gonna call that man and see what comes out of it. So don't move too fast, okay? Don't move too fast. God might be winking at you. Check out the spot. Look at that right there. Check out the spot. Yeah. Look at that. That's not bad at all. A little brick veneer house right there. A little 2-car garage. Yes, sir. And I think that's the man. That's the man right there. That's the man right there. What's up, big dog? You doing all right?
Yeah, man.
Let me get my bag real quick, okay?
All right.
Yeah. Hey, so y'all welcome to the media house, though. How you feeling, big dog?
Man, everything good, man. How things your way?
Man, good, bro. Good. Can't complain at all. Can't complain at all. I figured I'd vlog my trip down here today.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Y'all be sure to subscribe to the channel.
Y'all already know. Y'all already know. So real quick. Share a little bit about the content house and why you picked this one.
All right, so I bought this house with the sole purpose of making content. One thing specifically that I like about this house that I wouldn't like about it if it was gonna be an investment property is its carpet throughout. That helps with the sound. So this is in a residential neighborhood, super quiet neighborhood. And in this house, we got an area where we can create YouTube content, like talking heads and educational stuff. It's set up like a real house. That's the one I'm gonna show you. So we can also rent it out on Peerspace. We can produce shows for Facebook. This house can make way more money as a content house, in my opinion, than if I tried to put it in a lease. So leases in this area are only $13.50 on Peerspace. Houses half this size are going for like $200 a day.
Amen.
All right.
Yo, shout out to my guy Damien. He actually booked a coaching call right as I was headed to go see JT. So of course, I had to go ahead and bank that out and help him. On this 101, he actually wanted to talk more about Subject 2. Now we do have a Subject 2 training where we actually go through how to find the sellers who are willing to give over the mortgage, what exactly you need to say to them, so you're not saying the wrong thing to them, and then also how do you get the right paperwork. So we definitely do have a training like that, but he wanted to go over a particular situation. He wanted to get a full understanding what he had going on, and that's why I like the 101s. 101s are not meant for just like basic general training. We have courses for that. Just like him, he said, hey, I have this going on, this just occurred, help me out with this particular situation. So 101 calls are really good for talking about a particular deal, talking about a situation, or just actual help for your business at this particular time. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave a little link below. So that way, if you guys wanna book a 101 call with me, they're typically for about an hour. What comes with that, you also get access to the Google Drive where I have docs and scripts and stuff like that. And then you'll get a replay. So we record it. You'll get a replay via email of the actual training that we do on the call, so you can have that for the future. So let's get back to it, man. We was having fun that day. I really loved it.
Let's peek in on JT. I just finished my call. He on a live.
So I'm cool with that 100% of the time. All right, but beyond that, I think that the payroll actually.
Hey, another great day.
A house salad and rolls.
Yeah, that sounds good to me. What y'all think, Phil?
That sounds good to me.
Yep.
Okay. And then the second day, we had the grilled chicken.
Yo, we've been here all day
Got it
long.
in.
You know what I'm saying? All day long. We recorded at least 6 pieces of content for YouTube and at least 4 pieces for Instagram. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's vlog and seeing the media house. And if you guys go follow my guy JT Automations on YouTube and JT Hustles on Instagram.
Yeah, share this video with 10 people, all right? So Sawan is a practitioner. You can literally watch all of his videos and start making money, all right? So subscribe to this channel. Share this with all the homies, all the homegirls. Get your money right? It's a free resource. Take advantage of it.
Heck yeah. And remember, you don't need all 3 to do a deal. Time, money, and knowledge. You just need 2 to do you. Peace, y'all.